Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Johnson here, and I'm excited to show you a cool science experiment that you can do at home with things that you might already have in your house. It's kind of science, kind of art, lots of fun. Are you ready? All right, this is what you'll need. I found these small plastic cups in my house. They're just little cups made of plastic that people use for sauces and things, and you need 7 of them. If you don't have this, you could just use any glasses that you have in your house that are about this size. You also need some paper towels, and I took small paper towels and I cut them in half, and you'll need 6 of those. You will also need some water. I put some water in a pitcher here. And you'll need some food coloring. This is like what you use to make like frostings, different colors. You need 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue.
The primary color.
All right, are you ready to see what we're gonna do? Here we go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some water in each one of these cups to fill it about halfway up. And all the cups are side by side. They have to be really close together for this experiment. I'm carefully pouring my water in. You might need a grown-up to help you with this part. One more. All right. Some of my cups moved around a little bit when I was pouring the water in, so I'm just gonna line them up again so they're side by side. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is add a few drops of food coloring to some of the glasses, not all of them. I'm gonna start with my red, and I'm gonna put a couple drops into the cups on the ends of my line here. I'm gonna start with about two or three drops. I'm gonna stir that around a little bit and see how it turned my water red? That's what I want. Okay, I'm gonna put, looked like 3 drops was a good number, so I'm gonna put that in that side. Make sure to close the lid on your food coloring tight. You don't want that to get on your clothes or your table. All right, nice and red at my ends. Now I'm gonna take my yellow food coloring. I'm going to skip 1 cup and put the yellow food coloring here in this 3rd cup. Let me start with 3 drops.
Reddish yellow.
It's a little bit reddish yellow, but that'll be fine.
Or orange.
Then I'm going to take my blue food coloring, skip 1 cup, and put a few drops in here. Oop. Stir it around. Now, what I used here are called the primary colors. Red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors that you can combine together to make other colors like purple, green, and orange. That's right. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my paper towels cuts that I made, and I'm gonna fold them into strips. I'm gonna start by folding it in half, and then folding that down about 1/3 of the way, and then down another 1/3 of the way. And I'm gonna pinch it and slide really tight so it stays as a strip. I already did this to my other 6 paper towel strips. So now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with these. I'm gonna fold a strip in half, and I'm gonna put it in between the 2 cups of water that are next to each other. So this one went in between the red and the clear cup. I'm gonna keep doing that all the way down my line. Fold and put it in between. Almost done. 1 more. Okay. Now you might start to see that some of the color is going up the paper towels. What do you think is going to happen to these cups that don't have any food coloring in them? Maybe? Well, we have to let this sit for a day or two to see what science happens in these cups. So in a couple of days, I'm gonna take a picture of what my cups look like and post it again so you can see. But you might be starting to make some predictions right now about what might happen. All right, guys, I hope that you're able to find these materials at your home so you can try this and see what happens with the cups. But if not, check back in a couple of days and I will show you what happens. All right, have a great day.